The student, we discuss here iodoform reactions utility and conversion of ketone to lower acid to lower alcohol. Like that, CH3CHOH containing group to lower acid, and then LiLH4 water, that is reduction, gives you lower alcohol. So we are dealing with a step down reaction. I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, now we convert CH3COCH2 into acetic acid. This is acetone. So this acetone, when react with I2 plus NaOH, okay, so first of all this I am making cleavage. This is cleavage. So CHI3 is obtained and CH3COONA, 2 carbon sodium salt is obtained, 2 carbon. Here there are 3 carbon, here 2 carbon acid salt is obtained, that is sodium ethanoate. And on acidification you write down yourself ethanoate. Okay, I will give you more information then. So H positive on acidification, we will get acetic acid. Now convert butane to on to propanoic acid. This is having 3 alpha H, so it will also undergo first iodination takes place. CHI3 is converted into CI3, 3 iodine derivative of ketone, and then hydrolysis will cleavage occur from here and we'll get CHI3. This is yellow PPT of iodoform and CH3CH2CONA, that is sodium propionate, 3 carbon acid. Here we started from 4 carbon. Here lower acid will be obtained, salt, sodium salt of propanoic acid. Now acetone to ethanol, 3 step, acetone plus I2NaOH. So directly I have written CHI3 is cleaved out and CH3CONA, 2 carbon acid is obtained. On acidification it gives acetic acid, and LiALH4 on reduction, further reduction, so LiALH4 water workup, it will give you ethanol. So 3 step reaction. If we consider this one step, so this will be occurring over here. Now see here, convert butane to all to secondary, this is secondary butyl alcohol to, in which I have converted it into sodium propionate, say, so this propanol. So I will write down here to propanol. Propanol, yes, vanol. So see, secondary butyl alcohol, I2 plus NaOH, first acetone is obtained, oxidation takes place, then iodination takes place. This 3 alpha is converted into CI3 group, and CO CH2CH3 is obtained, and then hydrolysis will be cleaved this iodoform and will get sodium propionate, 3 carbon, and here acidification, propanoic acid, reduction with LiLH4 water workup will give you propanol. Okay, so in this case when we are using LiALH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride group ion reduces carbonyl group to CH2 group, so we will get CH2OH. So carboxylic group is reduced to CH2OH. So in this way, very in